Hi, I'm Emily. I'm here with Molly Taylor and Subaru. We're in the Cohen Forest in Canberra and I'm about to jump on board with Molly and we're going to go for a ride in the forest, so come on board with me. Nice.
So you haven't been in a rally car before?
No. Here I am though.
Awesome. How's that?
It's incredible.
It's good fun, isn't it?
Yeah, I had no idea it could go so fast.
Yeah, and this is essentially the transmission driveline, it's all the roker. So
Yeah.
it's got the gravel suspension, but yes, aside from that, it's what you get in the roker.
Wow.
So it's pretty cool.
Cool.
And?
Hey, wow, I had no idea a car could go so fast, but it's still so like safe and stable almost, which is really cool.
Okay, so I was told to say this right now. So, end light crest 20.
Yeah, so that'll be the
Oh, here.
yeah, no, like when we get onto where you see the start boards.
Okay.
So that's, yeah, that'll be where they start. So once we turn through these, you'll see the slight right. You see the slight right up here.
Okay, so end light right to crest 20. Turn 3 left, left cut 30.
Yep.
Left.
Then you can call the next one now, yeah.
50 turn late 4L. Something over crest.
That's good time.
And yeah, I'm just gonna skip that one. Turn 4L plus don't 30.
Yep.
So 5 cut.
The caution 4 left, right. Yeah.
Don't
And then
is
on under over finish. Not bad.
well done.
Good job. Not bad for a first time at all. There's a lot when you're trying to compute
Yeah.
what does that symbol
I was
mean
like,
and translate that and then say it. Yeah.
Yeah.
How was that?
Good.
Yeah. Yeah.
The notes for you?
I was skipping every like second one.
So?
Just to
Yeah.
stay on track.
The car stayed on the road though.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
it's all good, I think.
That's all that matters.
So I've just finished up in the car and that was incredible. I had no idea that a car could go that fast, let alone go that fast and feel that safe and feel that sort of control in the car. So I honestly recommend it for anyone. Like, it's not scary, it's incredible. Come along and thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time.